So family, I'm gonna show you guys what type clippers, products, all that good stuff. Everything I'm using, everything I use. Let's get it. All right. Over here, I got my tool care, my Andes. Got the clipper side. Got the wall, blade oil, Tresemme holding spray before the edge up. Got my powder. This stuff smells good too, man. It's that old school smell. Oil sheen. Give me some tonic, some topic holding spray, my spray bottle. Just have some water in there in case if I need to use it. And now I have these guards. I switched to these double magnetic guards because the single guards, man, they was coming off and everything. So I have these Andes double magnetic guards now. I only use them for my fast feeds. And for my magic clips, I have the wall premium guards with a clip on it. These are way better than the ones that come with it. They just hold better and everything. Blade. I like this type blade, man. It's just, I started out with this one and I never reverted to the ones that's to the blade that's smaller than this. I love this type blade. These are the blades that I use. Now, these are some special clippers. These are my Oster fast feeds. Now I had these are the very first clippers that I bought. No, actually I bought Andy's Envy, but these are the first good clippers that I bought. I bought these after the Envy because the Envy wasn't cutting too good. But anyway, I had these clippers about 5 years, and I changed the inside blade to a ceramic blade, and these things cut like butter, man. You just hearing. They still cut like the first day I bought them, man. They cut like butter, but this ceramic blade is a must-have for these fast feeds because you can zero gap them and you can take that bottom line out. I also have the wall balding clipper. I use this every time I do a fade to clean up. I have both T outliners. Got the wall heroes. I rarely use these though. They cut good though, but they very sharp. My magic clip. These are my go-to clippers too. Like I use these and my fast feeds mostly. I use my fast feeds for the fading more so than anything, and then I use these to remove the bulb or to do like a taper. I can just use these, just one clipper for a taper. But yeah, I love these. These are my go-to. I got to get another pair of these. I also use. I also have the Slimline Pro. I did a video on Slimline Pro a little while ago. I don't have them out here right now. Then I got my little. This is a beautiful little brush. Got another brush. Little towel. Barber side. I use the Andes shaver. Let's see what else I can show you guys. I just got a lot of junk in here, man. This is where I keep a lot of my stuff. Got the wall seniors right there, the black seniors. So yeah, man, I hang my stuff up right here. Got my little price list, my light right here.